Okay, good morning dear students. How are you? I hope all of you did. And I assigned you some homework. I hope all of you did that. Okay, now let's continue with the this ray diagrams. Okay, in the last class we discussed about how the image will formed when object is placed at infinity. So the object is placed at infinity, the position of the image is at f focus, and size of image is highly diminished, and the nature of image is real and inverted. So now we'll discuss about the remaining positions. We'll go for the remaining positions. Okay. Okay, now so next image, next what we'll do, so we place it at we place it this image at infinity. Now what I'm going to do, I'll place behind the C. Behind C in the sense just above one or two step back to the C, that is center of curvature. Okay, so now draw the circle. Draw the circle. So always don't need to draw the circle. So here I don't have any other option, so I'm doing here. So you can draw using compose. Okay, so just draw the semicircle. Okay, so now remove this, then center of curvature, center of curvature. So this is pole, this is pole, this is shapes, this is P, pole. Okay, this is pole P, and this is F, focus, focus, and this is center of curvature. Now what I am going to do, I will place the object behind C. So behind C in the sense I will place at this point. Okay, so suppose this is the image. So again, okay, this is the image. So you can draw this as AB, the same girl, this same girl here, the same girl I place it here. Okay, here two planes. Okay, see here, this is the object. So here what happened, when a ray of light, so when we place an object, where should be the where should be the image should be placed? So image will be between F and C, right? And it is diminished also. So now what I'm going to do, I'll use any of these four rules. Any of these four rules we can use. Any two is enough. So any two is enough, we can use any of the four rules. So I'll take the first point. So the image is traveling at this point. So when we know that when an object travels straight, that is parallel to the principal axis, so while coming back, where it will go, it will pass us through the principal focus, isn't it? Will pass us to the principal focus. Okay, so now this is the one image. Okay, and suppose when an object is passing through the center of curvature, sorry, when a ray of light is passing through the center of curvature, not object. Okay, when a ray of light is passing through the principal focus, okay, then when it is going back, where it will go? So it will pass us through the center of, it will pass us through the it will pass us parallel to the principal focus. Okay, I told that. So where these 2 points will meet, so that is the image formation. There will image form. So where it is meeting here now, it is meeting at this point. At this point it is meeting, isn't? At this point it is meeting. Okay, so now just see that when image is formed on the line, on this principal axis, up above the principal axis, the image is erect, that is straight. When the image is below the principal axis line, so that image is inverted. Okay, the image is inverted. So now it is inverted image. Okay, so this we can call this as this A B. So you can take this as A dash B dash. or else sorry b dash a dash. Why? Because it is inverted, b dash a dash. Okay, so now see the size of this is somewhat around 3 centimeters or 4 centimeters. It is lesser than that. So see that all the conditions are satisfied here. So when an object is placed beyond C, the image format, the image formation, so the position of the image is between F and C. Is between F and C? Yes, here the C, here the F. So it is between F and C. Okay, so then so it is diminished. So it is not highly diminished, it is diminished compared to this virginal object. This object size is diminished, it is small, and the object is real and inverted. So it is real image and inverted. When it was inverted, see here, when this object is beyond this, so it is erect. When object is behind the principal axis, it is inverted. So it is behind the principal axis line, so it is inverted. So the position, so position of an object is beyond C. Okay, everything is here only. So here beyond C, beyond C. So what is that? The object is placed. It is the position of the image is between F and C, and size of the image is diminished. Nature of the image is real and inverted. Okay, fine. So next we'll go for the next. We'll place the object in further. We'll place the object in next place, that is C. So just will see that. So we're coming towards the mirror, right? So at the beginning we kept at infinity. Now we kept it. Behind C. Now we keeping on C. Then later we go for between C and F, like that. We are coming closer to the mirror. Okay. So now, so this object again you can take the same shapes, semicircle, semicircle, take the semicircle and draw this. So here so when the object is placed at on C, we need to place the object at C. So this is principal. So here this is here it is polished, here it is polished. Okay, so here it is P. So shape is, so this is P, then it is at, this is F, and this is C. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I'll place the object at C, isn't that is a place. Now we'll place the object. Now this we finished, so now we'll go for, and first one finished. Now we'll go for this C, when object is placed at C. So now when object is placed at C, we'll see where the position will be. So I'm placing the object at this point. I'll take another color to place the object, red, pink. So here I'm placing the object at this point. This is A and this is B. So now when an object, so first rule, so you can use any of these 4 rules. So usually first and second will helpful till the end. At last, the last one will help. Fourth rule will help us to draw the ray diagrams. So draw a line. So we know that first rule, when a line draw parallel to the principal axis while going back, how it will travel? So it will move towards the principal focus. Okay, this is the first rule. Okay, now when the object is passing, parallel to the, sorry, when object is passing through the F, when it's passing through the F, so where it will travel then? So going back, so it will move along the principal sorry, when the object is, sorry, when the ray of light passing through the principal focus, so while reflecting back it will move it will move parallel to the principal axis. So therefore the image formed at this point, at this point. So this point is very closer to C, but when you draw using the perfect what is that, scale and this one, so you'll get exact points. So this is B dash and A dash. See here, the size of the image and the size of the object. This is the size of the image and this is the size of the object. So both are almost same, right? Both are same. And where the image is formed, so what is it, at C. So where the object is placed, at C. So therefore this rule, what is that, well, at C the image object, the position of the object at C, position of image at C, and size of image is at same size, and it's real and inverted. Why it is inverted? Because it is behind the principal axis line. Okay, so next next rule. Okay, now what we need to do, so we need to place the object between F and C. So for that we'll draw the ray diagram. Okay, so take the line, draw the line. Okay, so now here this is a P pole and this is F focus and this is C. So but if you want to do exactly using the scale and this one, so in order to place like this, so you'll get the center of the circle, center of curvature, so focal length, everything will get properly, but we're not able to do that all those things in this. In the examination also no need to do with the measurement, so just you should by head this table or remember this table, according to that you can draw the positions. Only they see the positions, they not measure. Okay, so now what they will do, what we can do now, so now we'll place the object between F and C. So this is C and this is F, so I'll place the object in between this. So if I place the object in between this, so this is the object I'm placing in between this. Okay, now so now this object, so here this is A, this is B. So when a ray of light passes through the, take the shapes, when a ray of light passes parallel to the principal axis while coming back, while after reflection while going back, it will pass through the principal focus, it will pass through the principal focus. Okay, so then where it should be so it should be enlarged and beyond C. Okay, so it will be beyond C. Okay, so next, when a ray of light, okay, when a ray of light passing through the focus, when a ray of light passes through the focus, so after reflecting, where it will go, so it will passes parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so here it is not touched, so extend this line, extend this line. Okay, so now here it is meeting, so here it is meeting. Okay, here the image is formed, so here the image is formed, so you may see that, so here the image is formed. So this is A dash, this is B dash and A dash, B dash and A dash. Okay, this is the image. So where the image is formed beyond C. And is it enlarged? C, yes. So compared to AB, A dash A dash B dash is bigger, so the size of the image also enlarged. So here the same. So at F, what is it, between C and F, it is beyond C, it is enlarged and real and inverted. So it's the image is real and inverted. Why it is inverted? I told that when you keep behind this, so it is inverted. Okay, so the remaining two diagrams were there, we'll see in the next class. Okay, so copy this in the classwork and practice these diagrams. So per day I'm giving only two diagrams, so please practice well. Why? Because these are very important as a examination point of view. Okay, we'll see the remaining things in the next class. Thank you.